Okay, hi guys. Good morning. Today is March 3rd. Mommy's birthday is in March 8th. Mommy's birthday is in 5 days. Whew. I'm going to the voters office because I'm going to sign up to be on the voters list today. I'm eating a peanut butter sandwich. And I'm gonna go find out how much the materials are. Yeah. Bicana. Okay, so it's not always amazing to meet people who are interested, who are in familiar fields, because the guy a while ago, his girlfriend is a YouTuber. She vlogs and they create music. But anyways, like I was saying, I told you guys I'm gonna go sign up for the voters list, and I'm gonna find out how much the carnival items are, because I need to create the items, because carnival is 11 days away and I need to create my bra because everybody else is having theirs made and I'm not gonna flop, so I gotta plan early. So I'm gonna do that today. I've already taken care of some business from yesterday, so my day isn't that occupied with actual work, things that like I have to get done. But yeah, I have on this, I'm trying to get my edges to stay laid, but it's hot. Anyways, I've been sitting in this car for a while now. I'm gonna head on the road. Bye. All right guys, so I just went to go get my voter's ID, and they're like, I don't understand people in Jamaica, like the customer service, like he wasn't selling me anything, but he was just so like, so I'm like, okay, I'm here to get the the thing, right? I'm here to register to be on the voters list. That's what I told him. And then he was like, so you don't have a voter's ID? I'm like, no, I don't. And then he comes back outside, shows me the car. You don't have one of these? I'm like, I'm sorry, I don't. And he's like, okay then. And then it was just so weird, like the atmosphere is so weird. It makes it hard to want to do anything here, because the way people talk to you is just so disgusting. You get me? Like literally so disgusting. Like, okay, I already told you I want to register for voters. And then he's like, how old are you? I'm like, I'm 24. Well, yeah, no, I'm not 24 yet. I'm like, I'm 23. I'll be 24 next month. Like, I'm 23. And I can see the judgmental eyes, like, you don't know my situation, you don't know where I've been. And yes, there's a lot of people here, there's a lot of young people who don't vote, but having that type of energy is reasons why people don't want to come in there and sign up for things, because you're so negative and it's so drawn out. And even yesterday when I was ordering some food, I was buying a drink. I ordered the food from the girl and she come out, she give me the food. I said, how much is such and such drink? She said, it's not cold. I'm like, alright, how much is the drink? It's not cold. I'm like, even one man was stand next to me and him just have to lock eye and be like, and then he was like, she asked you how much the drink is. We hear you saying not cold, but she asked you how much the drink is. She's like, $100. I'm like, alright, then give me one, because like I'm thirsty. I should have just left it. I'm like, I wasn't asking you if it was hot or cold, I was asking you how much it was. Just like people, the customer service in Jamaica is poor. People need to learn how to talk to other individuals, and people need to start training them better for when they come into these places, because it's just so disgusting. It makes it so hard. Like, I just don't like interacting with people in these stores in Jamaica, because there's no training. They're so disgusting with the customers and make it hard to even want to buy something. Like, it's ruining your company. Anyways, that was my rant of the day. I'm gone. I'm gonna go find out how much the carnival things were. But overall, the process, and that's another thing I want to complain about, to the process, like why do you have to verify my ID? Like, why do you have to come there and verify that I live at that specific location? And you're going to come up unannounced. Like, you don't know when people are working. You don't know, like, if I have to go to the hospital, like, you know, every day to, let's say I have such and such a disease where I have to go to the hospital every day to, you know, to get like a transfusion or something. You don't know what people are doing with their everyday lives for you to just show up unannounced just to verify where they're living, just so I can vote. And that's probably why Jamaica doesn't really have that large of a voting population, because of the hardships that it takes. But for the most, like, when I signed up for my voter's ID, my voter's card, because it's not even an ID, it's a voter's like piece of paper card in New York, I just filled out the paper when I was in university. When I was when a politician came to visit, he brought a bunch of papers for people to sign up for whichever party they were. And that's all. I just had to sign up, make sure all my information was correct, and you turn it in and you get your card or the little paper mailed to you. In Jamaica, just make it so hard, and then I'm not even gonna get it until like the 3rd week of June. So it's now the 1st week of March. June, the 3rd week of June. Like, what? It's just so backwards. There's so many things that are just backwards, and I'm not even saying that in a disrespectful way, because it's true. Because even when we learned in one of my political science class about like Russia and how a lot of their weapons and things that of the sort, and like the way they did things were very outdated. They had to rapidly catch themselves up to get with the times. And Jamaica is just outdated bad. Anyways, like I said, rambling is done. I'm gonna go to Rapid True Value to see how much the wire is for the outline of the bra, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me then. I just didn't want to bring you guys inside. I'll see the boy, yeah. Anyways, gotta go. Alright guys, so I think I'm in the right area. Well, yes, I definitely am. So extra. I was on the other side, but that was the exit only. So now I had to come find the proper area. Basically, I'm here. I'm just gonna go find Rapid Value, which is over there somewhere. Yes, I haven't been vlogging much. I'm trying to get back to my daily vlogs. I was looking for a rubbish bin. There's one. So I'll put this here. Literally, I have a slip on that's 2 centimeters away from riding up. Okay, I'll come back when I'm inside. Okay, so guys, I'm in the place. I've been realizing that the lighting looks very blue, but that's just how it looks in here. Yeah, that's just how it looks. Anyways, so this is the wire. I think this looks really thin, and you know, I got a good size. They're getting heavy, okay? They're heavy. So I don't know if this is gonna be the right one. I'm gonna look online. I'm looking online before I buy what I need. Sorry. Okay, go ahead. Hi everybody. So I met somebody who asked me if I vlogged, and yes I do, and now he has to go check it out to find himself on the video. Yeah, so if you come in here and see him at Rapid True Value in Sovereign, make sure yes, a Bicana send you.
Alright, and ask for Jamil.
Ask for Jamil.
Alright,
so he told me of another location where I can go to check, because that wire really is kind of thin. I'm looking for something a little bit thicker. I saw a Mac sign. Oh, this is Sovereign. This is called Sovereign. I didn't know, but I see that they have a Mac store. Let's go see some of the products. Oh shit, where do you enter? Is this locked? Oh, it's not locked. Hello. Good, how are you? So I'm only coming in here to fast because y'all know how I is. Yeah, this is Sovereign. I've only been here, I think, 3 times ever. I think there's a movie theater in here. We're just in the Mac. I couldn't record Payless, which went out of business in some places in America. It's really interesting that it's doing so well in Jamaica. Where else? There's some cool places. So yeah, this is Sovereign. Ooh, let me kind of stay away from the, because I don't got no shorts underneath this. No, they sell sports stuff. I would never. I buy all my sports things on sale. But I do need materials. I'm gonna come in here and see how much these fabrics are. But for now, I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, circle the place. Leaves 5th Avenue. That's cute because you know it's Saks 5th Avenue. This is cute, you know, Sovereign, the little mall or whatever. I really hope nobody's looking up under my dress because when I tell you I ain't got no shorts, I'm serious. Like, I only got a slip on. And that's doing the most. Anyways, come, let's look at the Crocs. I already feel like they're gonna tell me to turn off the camera, so I'm gonna turn off the camera right now. Guys, I'm gonna go back over to the fabric store. Crocs are, now Jamaica is expensive. The Crocs is, they're like $4,000 above the American price. I did the conversion. And then the charms are expensive. Like, for the charms. But anyways, we're just coming here for fast. But there is a fabric store which I'm gonna check out right now. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see what kind of fabrics they got. This is nice. Ooh, this looks really nice. I'm trying to think which fabric I want for Carnival. And I want to do black. I'm gonna pull up the picture of Rihanna's Carnival piece and see if I can show them. Let me find it. What would I man? Oh, so come back. Ooh, that's a lot. That's 10? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll do that. Alright guys. So y'all remember how I was just complaining about terrible customer service? Well, there's also terrible customers. This lady came in and in the fabric store, Silk and Satin at Sovereign. She came in, like just walked in. 2 seconds later, she's upset because the lady is helping some of the man them. And she's like, every customer is important. You just stand up there and watch them. And I'm like, she's helping them. She's helping them. I'm not gonna bring in race or colorism or anything like that. But the man them, they were darker skin tone and they had dreads. Hello. Yeah, they were darker skin tone. I feel like my bottom out the door. I feel it bad. And they had dreads. And I think, and the lady was like more of a brown complexion. She was just rude. Yeah, it's like, wait your turn like everybody else. Everybody came in and waited. You can wait too. They probably were waiting longer than you. Because seriously, she just, and when she stepped out, she walked out that store because she upset talk about every customer is important. We just said, all right. Everybody's like, okay, bye. And she left because that was rude. Like, nobody was on your side with your wrong ass logic talking about every customer is important. Well, she was helping the customers that she was helping and you want her to just drop them. Even the other lady was like, simple thing she could have do is just say, excuse me, we can cut you, can just answer the simple questionnaire for me, and then if that's okay, can get back to them. She just want the lady for just drop the man, then she help and just come run to you. I'm sorry. Anyways, I got a glue gun and 2 extra glue sticks that came up to $750, which is cheaper than in America, if I must say. I think in America it would probably have been like around $15 for the glue gun and the 2 glue sticks. I can say that much. I don't think it would have been cheaper. And then I got some ribbon to tie for my straps and to connect the back. So I didn't see any fabric that I liked specifically. One was too thin. Now I'm gonna try to go get the wire, and yeah, hopefully everything will come up to under $2,000, which would be amazing because that's dirt cheap. But anyways, talk to you guys later, or see you guys when I'm at Super Value. All right guys, so I'm at Super Value Home Center, and I'm gonna ask them if they have the wires. This looks like a much bigger location than Rapid True Value, so let's hope that they have something, because I need wires. It's actually not that big. I expected it to go longer, but that's it. Let's see. I'm gonna ask for help, then I'll be back. Guys, guess what? So I've been showing this picture around. We found it. We found the proper wires, so that's what I'm gonna pay for after she comes back. And I hope that's enough, because you know, I hope it's enough. I'm talking. Yeah, I got the weirdest look ever, guys. But anyways, I'll be back. So I'm here. The lighting is much better in here. That's a pretty view though. You can't really see it, but up there look good. But anyways guys, I'll be back. All right everybody, so I got the wire and it was only $116, which is less than $2 US. Can you imagine? This is about to be the best money I ever spent. So hopefully it works out. Hopefully I don't even if the costume ugly, I'm gonna wear it just because like I'm proud. Like yo, this is gonna be amazing. I haven't even spent $1,000 yet. Granted, I need to go get the the gemstones, and I need to get the fabric. But so far this hasn't even cost me $1,000. Like oh, like I'm so excited. You don't understand how, because Trino, like, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna spend $5,000 on something to wear one time. I'm not do it. Me not do it. I don't have it. And to the way I'm bossy, my costume would be like 10,000. So if I can make that myself, then of course. All right, I'm not gonna get the material today because I don't know what I want, so I'm just gonna go back to the house. I have a video to edit and I'm gonna start working on this. I'm so happy. Bye. I was gonna do a video on showing you guys, like, you know, make it all pretty and everything on how to make one of these, but I'm ready to make it now, and the lighting has gone down. But I'm just gonna show you guys how much everything costs, and I'm gonna start making it. I'm gonna leave a couple videos down below that I've watched to help me make this. So this was all together, all of this was 115 Jamaican dollars. Yeah, so that's less than $2 US. This is what I'm gonna use for the straps. Just some you know, ribbon. This was 100 and that's weird. Let me check the sorry guys, because I think I have a number in my head and I don't think that number is right. This was 116. So it's crazy. This was 115. This was $116, and this is 10 yards. So I have 10 yards of this. Then I was going to use a type of glue, like the fabric glues that you see, or the glues that you see in the hardware stores, but I decided to buy a glue gun. The glue gun itself was $600, and then I bought 2 extra glue sticks for $60, for $80. So it came up to $792 for this, and then these were like $200 and something. So barely touched $1,000, or barely passed $1,000. So I'm gonna get right into making this so I can show you guys what I do.
Decided to do the grass first. I hope you guys appreciate it. I think you guys want to see some of the craft or watching. And yeah, like and subscribe. So what you're gonna need for this project is a glue gun, some fabric, and of course a bra frame. Guys, I did not make this frame. I did not make this frame myself. I did have someone make this frame for me, guys. So I know you guys will ask me this in the comments, so I'm just gonna clear that up like right now. So yeah, so what you're gonna do with this fabric is you are going to cut this fabric into little strips, like maybe an inch or an inch and a half. And what we're gonna do with this fabric is wrap the frame with the fabric to cover the frame basically. And I'm sorry that that part of the frame wrapping isn't in this video, because like an idiot I didn't watch what I was doing, and then I wasn't in